What counts as a war crime in IHL? Imagine living through a conflict where rules are meant to protect you, yet some acts still break those rules completely. That's what war crimes are all about. They are serious violations of international humanitarian law, which is the set of rules that govern how wars are fought and how people are treated during conflicts. These laws apply whether the war is between countries or within a country. The main aim is to protect civilians, prisoners of war, and the wounded from harm. War crimes include acts like willful killing of civilians or prisoners of war. If someone intentionally targets innocent people, that's a war crime. Torture or cruel treatment of prisoners or civilians also counts. This can include physical abuse, biological experiments, or any inhumane treatment. Mutilating or causing serious injuries to protected persons is another example. These acts cause great suffering and are considered grave breaches. Taking hostages or unlawfully detaining civilians or prisoners of war is also a war crime. Attacking civilian populations or individuals who are not participating in hostilities is forbidden. Destruction of property must be justified by military necessity. Otherwise, it's unlawful. Forcing prisoners or civilians to serve in hostile forces or depriving them of fair trial rights are also violations. Unlawful deportation, transfer, or confinement of protected persons is another serious breach. All these acts are classified as grave breaches under the Geneva Conventions. They are also covered by the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, which is the legal body that prosecutes war crimes. To be considered a war crime, the act must happen during an armed conflict, and the perpetrator must be aware of the conflict. Leaders can be held responsible if they knew about these crimes and failed to stop or punish them. Enforcement of these laws is carried out through international tribunals and national courts. They work to ensure accountability for violations. War crimes undermine the safety of civilians and the core principles that aim to limit the suffering caused by war. Knowing what counts as a war crime helps protect human dignity and uphold the rule of law during times of conflict.